crap out of it last night and didn't check it. Alright, so next up we're going to see the Whiplash gasser. The Whiplash gasser is a favorite of many of those that like to fly gasoline helicopters. By the way, Miniature Aircraft is the only brand that has all 4 helicopter power plants available. So we have electric, nitro, the turbine, and the gasser, all in our 700 model. And here we have longtime team pilot, Raja, in his trademark chair umbrella, and he is going to entertain you for the next 4 or 5 hours.
Yep, get ready, put your cozies out, cold drinks ready.
Ja, das hat sie mir erklärt. Since we check on it as well to Germany, so as we look at our first pilots, and we will help us with a lot of test flying because using the air, whole day for the day. Yeah.
So one thing I just noticed when Roger was flipping, he was flipping right on that on the filter, on the air filter. So that is a really well balanced. And Roger, if you do those flips again from right to left, facing towards maybe to the filter, or you can just fly around. That's good too.
Ese helicóptero es muy pesado, this is a very much for the last few years.
So the turbine and the gasser will fly the same blades, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can control it if you want. Yes. The headspin is about, if you do some spot flying, you can go to 1800, and if you want to go more power, it can be fast. The power.
And this helicopter can smack as well. I can personally attest that. I've seen Cade smack it for about 30 minutes straight, and it's still been running out of gas.
Yes, the fuel consumption is about 0.4 liters for 50 meters.
It's environmentally friendly.
Yes. It is powered by standard lead-free gasoline. It's about 3% of oil, 2% oil and that's it.
And Raj's model is equipped with a generator as well. So literally Raja can stay in the air all day. He doesn't have to worry about a battery. He just fills the tank and flies all day.
That's why he brought a chair.
Yes.
Now you know why the chair.
There's a method to every level of madness, except for Roger's level of madness.
So earlier you got to see some hard smack and 3D flying. Now you're seeing the Whiplash flying very gracefully through the air. Again, showing how versatile the model is for any style of flying. One helicopter is really sure.
And Raja is a specialist for outdoors. Augmentation, that is what he...
Oh, is he? I've never heard of that.
Never?
Really?
What?
I never knew that Raja was an augmentation
Oh,
specialist.
that was gonna go.
Raja, if you have to show some of your favorite autos.
Everybody wants to see a Raja on it.
Roger, I want to see an overspeed. Try to change it up. What do you got? we'll settle for a nice auto.
All right, so this auto is going to last approximately 15 minutes.
That count.
Oh, that's a high energy auto. Look at that.
That's stage 1 auto. Now let's do stage 2.
Is stage 2 an airbag auto, Leroy?
No, that's stage 4. We're not there.
Is that ambulance what is the generator? The generator is used to charge the battery, to receive the battery. If the cell is not here, it's supplied with energy. You have to have the generator your car, so you can stay here forever. So if you want to go to the flying field, you only need the helicopter, the radio, the fuel.
That's right, it's a great lunchtime helicopter. So here we go.
This is the level 2.
We're gonna see how the Whiplash just hangs up there. You saw a little bit of the electric doing that with Mitch. Now you're seeing the gasser do that. And if you look at the blades, you'll see they get pretty slow, but anytime you flare it up into the air, it just picks up that energy. That drivetrain is so smooth that it responds perfectly to the inputs.
Yeah, nice. That's another one.
We'll do one more, and then have another flight.
All right, let's get to level 4. What you got? This is the auto that wins the contest. Let's see what you can do.
Let's have Roger do a smack auto.
Uh-oh, just get excited. You ever see a helicopter get excited? It says, I get to do level 4.
Folks, that's the hardest takeoff I've ever seen Raja do.
5x5, baby. Watch out! Going to 399.9.
Holy crap, he's spinning that tail fast. I've never seen Raja spin the tail that fast.
He's taking level 4 pretty serious here, man.
All right, here we go.
This is what you call style points. Why? Because we can, and it's Ircha, baby. Oh yeah,
Look
put your
at
hands
that.
together, Professor.
Look at
Good
that.
one.
Yeah.
Roger